guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. Today I have the most amazing trash to treasure DIY makeover and decorate with me. So I'm a trash picker, I'm a thrift store shopper, and I like to think outside of the box when it comes to that kind of stuff. So I was just driving down my street when I saw this cart. It looked busted down, but I did a U-turn, I picked it up, I put it in the back of my truck, and my kids thought I was insane. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I did to spruce it up, bring it back to life, and then use it in my Christmas decor. I hope that you guys enjoy. If you do, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see sneak peeks and my busted eye. All right, you guys, let's get started. Even though this cart looks really old, it has the basic structure of a modern bar cart. It just looks a little dogged and dingy. Each of the shelves are metal, so it's going to need to be sanded down and painted. And the base of the cart is a little bit cheap. It feels super duper light, but it has the handle, and I really was in love with the wheels. It has these clear looking old school wheels. I think it's from like the 60s or 70s. I'm not sure what this was used for before. If any of you guys know, comment down below. I'm super curious to hear. This piece was completely free because I found it by the side of the road in the trash. I'm going to first start by wiping it down with disinfectant wipes. You want to make sure that you're getting all of the dirt as well as the germs. Wipe it down really well. I wiped down both of the shelves as well as the base of it, did the handle, all of the bars, even the bottom. You want to make sure that there's no germs as well as no dirt, because spray paint can be a little bit fickle when it comes to what it sticks to. You want to make sure that there's no little dust and bits. One of the best things about this piece is all the shelves were really easy to pop off, so I didn't have to screw and unscrew things, and I was like, yes, you know, I don't have very many power tools, so this is my type of project. I just popped each of the shelves off, and this made it easier to work with when I was spraying the two different colors. So I want to make sure that I keep the wheels the color that they are, so I'm just using some Dollar Tree painter's tape to tape off the wheels so that when we go to spray paint it, none of the paint gets onto the wheels. I then went ahead and used some Dollar Tree sandpaper, just one of the finest grits, to sand both of the shelves. I wanted to make sure that I had a flat surface and none of that rust was going to show through, as well as trying to scuff it up so that the spray paint would adhere better to the metal. Mr. Quincy wanted to help, and he's at that age where he's always involved, so he's going to help me sand down a bit as well. Good helping. You want to make sure after you're done sanding, you wipe it down really well so that there's no extra residue left on there. So I took both pieces outside, and I'm going to give them coats of spray paint. For the base, I'm using the Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. This is my absolute favorite, highly recommend. It always goes on nice. I let one coat dry and then I did another coat. I would definitely recommend, if you have a sealer, to use a sealer as well so that it doesn't wear and look more worn, but I definitely would recommend the spray paint. Now for the shelves, I used this Krylon chalky finish chalk paint. This is terrible, not Sensational Finds approved, garbage. I'm only using it because I had it, but it goes on so patchy, so terrible. The only side that I like about this is it dries matte and it dries fast, but other than that, I would not recommend this, and I did 2 coats of that as well. The cart was dried completely. I brought it into the house. We're just going to put the shelves back on, and since we don't need any power tools, you just place them back on there and they go on super duper tightly. So I really like this. I think it's like a little sturdy. It's not like super duper heavy duty. You can move it from room to room. It's perfect for the holidays, perfect for New Year's Eve. I think you could put drinks on here, cups for guests. I absolutely love it. I'm going to share with you guys how I decorated it for Christmas. I wanted it to kind of be like a coffee hot cocoa bar, so that's what we're going to be doing. A lot of the items are from Target or the dollar store, things that I've already had. I didn't buy anything new just for this project. We're just going to be reusing what I have. So we're going to start with the Christmas trees. These were from the dollar spot section at at Target last year. For one of them, I just took it out of the burlap, placing it in a little tin that I already had, and then I'm going to be covering it with the Dollar Tree duster that makes it look like snow. I love this. I think that this is adorable. For For a little bit of height difference, you need to do like a tiered tray or something to raise it up. I'm using this pie mold that I've already had on top of a Dollar Tree candle holder wrapped in jute twine. If it's a Sensational Finds video, you know twine is involved. I placed a little placemat over top of it and then added 3 Dollar Tree mason jars that just have a little bit of the Dollar Tree fabric over top. Since I wanted it to be a hot cocoa bar, you guys know you need a mug, you need all of the cute things, so hopefully I'll get some marshmallows and stirrers to put inside of the mason jars. I added a couple other things, and then for the bottom, I like the bottom. I saw some ideas on Pinterest and I kind of wanted to follow that, so I wanted everything to kind of be like plain and simple, some more rustic touches. So I found this basket at Goodwill a while ago and I really love that. I'm taking my little coffee press, putting that in there, some hot cocoa mix that I have that's in a Dollar Tree little canister. This little thing is for sugar, and then I have like a little Target tree that I put in there as well. Here is reused from last year, and I feel like it gives off that holiday vibe. I also put a little Dollar Tree tea towel on the side. I feel like you could put a little bunting and banner on here. That would look cute, and I feel like you can redo this from season to season. Oh yeah, in the back I added like one of those little signs and it says Winter Wonderland, bring wine, because you know it's it's wine time all the time around here. But this is how it turned out. I'm super duper happy with it. I'm very pleased at something that cost me nothing and my kids thought I was insane. Fits perfectly into our decor and we can use it when we have family and friends over, and it makes me happy just looking at it. Of course you have to add twinkle lights because it's not the holidays if it's not twinkle light time, and I'll put some of my favorite twinkle lights that I get on Amazon in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Are you guys a trash picker or a thrift store shopper? Let me know in the comment section. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Leave the word fire in the comment section down below. I love to see how you guys use the word, who my real ones are. Thank you guys for all those that stay to the end of the video. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye, you guys.